Here's your chance to join the world's largest online meetup of geo-app developers. What's a geo-app? It's a web, mobile, or desktop application that adds the power of place to make users and communities smarter. And the coolest thing is, you don't need to be a developer to create custom geo-apps. In this free online course, you can check out all the tools Esri provides for geo-app authors, including configurable templates and app builder tools that require no coding at all. And if you are a developer, we'll introduce you to Esri's APIs, SDKs, and active developer network that can help you incorporate the power of spatial technology into your applications. Best of all, you'll get to mix it up with thousands of civic hackers, GIS geeks, entrepreneurs, and do-it-yourselfers around the world. When you finish the course, you'll earn a certificate from Esri. It's all free, so be sure to sign up. Join us and surprise yourself at what you can do.